In this video, I will show you how you can turn on auto chat translation on the Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to enable this feature, just go to Settings, and under Settings just scroll down and tap on General Management. From here, just tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings, and on this page, just tap on Writing Assist. Now just make sure that the option for Writing Assist is enabled, and after that, just scroll down and tap on Chat Translation. Now just enable the toggle for chat translation, and after that just tap on languages to show. Now if you want to show the original message with the translation, you can select this option, but if you only want to see the translated text, just select the other option. I will leave it on default. Now after that just tap on manage apps, and from here just enable the toggle for the apps in which you want to use this feature. As you can see, currently it is available on these apps, but as you start downloading other messaging apps, the supported ones will appear over here. Now if there is a specific app in which you don't want to use this feature, just disable the toggle for that specific app. But I'll leave it enabled for all the apps over here. After you do that, then just go back and tap on Language Pack for translation. And from here, just install the language which you want to translate. Now if your preferred language is not available in this list, you can scroll down and you can download it from here. Now to use this feature, just go to your home screen and open any messaging app. For an example, I'll open WhatsApp. Now to translate the text, just tap on the text box over here. Now in your Samsung keyboard, just tap on this icon over here, which is the text translation icon. Now you can either enter text into this section and it will translate it from your own language to the other language which you have selected. Now to change the selected language, just tap on the language icon over here, and from here you can select to which language you want to translate. Now as you can see, it is currently on auto. For an example, you can select English to German, or you can select any other language like that. Now if you paste the text over here, then if you wait for a couple of seconds, you will see the translation of the text which you have entered over here. Also, if you just write a text in the text box, then later on, if you tap on this icon over here, it will automatically translate the text which you have written. Just like that. Now you can also change the language like that. You can select any other language. And once you're satisfied with the translation, then tap on send. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.